guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today's video, if it's not blatantly obvious, sorry, I'm like really close. If it's not blatantly obvious already, is obviously another Halloween tutorial. So I didn't get as many up as I actually wanted to this year, and I missed a couple of videos in the past couple of weeks purely just because I was busy. Other things came up, which was a total nightmare, but I figure Halloween isn't until Wednesday, so I thought I would get another couple up before then, and this is one of them. So really, I kind of just took inspiration from the fact that I have purple hair and ran from there. I thought I'll do something green, and then I thought, nah, purple and green, I don't know if they really go. Let's just go purple. And purple was where I started, and this is sort of where I ended up. I kind of wanted to go along the Disney princess slash Disney villain type route, if that makes any sense. So there's like little aspects from everything. I haven't copied anything or taken inspiration from anyone else's look. This is purely just something that spilled out of my brain. So I have no idea what I am right now, but I don't know. I may name it for the video, I may not name it for the video, I don't know yet. But I actually love the way this turned out. It is so different and so cool to anything I've ever done before. I have no idea what I am, and I struggled no end with my contact lenses, apart from these ones are a little bit better than the ones that I tried before, but still struggled to no end. So I do actually start this video with the contacts in. Sometimes I think that people who do their tutorials then put their contacts in at the very end. It looks really, really cool because you can see what it looks like without contacts versus what it looks like with contacts. So I did kind of want to do that, but after the struggle I had putting them in, I was like, there's no way. And if I'm doing a Halloween look to go out or anything like that where I'm wearing contacts, my biggest advice to other people is, if you're like me and you don't wear contacts and you don't do particularly well with contact lenses, then put your contact lenses in early on, you know, kind of not hours and hours and hours beforehand, but do it like half an hour maybe before you're going to do your makeup, and then let them settle. And then as you're doing your makeup, by the time you're ready to kind of go out and do anything, your eyes have totally settled. Like right at the beginning I could barely keep my eyes open, especially with these lights. The lights don't help, but I could barely keep my eyes open, and now I'm totally fine and I barely even notice that they're there, apart from that my vision, like my peripheral vision, is gone. It's non-existent. But anyway, everything that I've used will be in the description box below, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video, obviously I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye! So the giveaway is probably now, by the time you're watching this, finished, but I just wanted to say a massive, massive thank you to everybody who entered, to everybody who subscribed, to anybody who's liked the video, watched the video, etc, etc. Thank you so much, it means a lot to me. I will be announcing the winner in the next few days. Obviously I need to kind of do all that. I'm pre-filming this just now because I don't film, edit, upload in the same day, but I will kind of let you know. I'm going to ask the competition winner if she or he would like me to put their name in the video, but there will be a video announcing it anyway. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly say thank you to everybody that got me to 1,000 subscribers, thank you to everybody who continues to subscribe, thank you to everybody who watches the videos, and yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to say. So let's carry on and get to doing this look, and I think I need a shower, so yeah, see you next time.